Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to Chanel's channel. I'm Chanel and you're at Chanel's channel. So today's video is going to be a pretty long film about the gun show that's going to be taking here in Dallas, Texas. We're about to go in. The line is extremely long. You'll see the video. They come out to the market hall in Dallas, Texas once a year from what I understand, and so this video is going to be what it's like to go to the gun show here in Texas. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the show. The line goes, look at all that. This is for the gun show in Dallas, Market Street. The line's just incredibly long. Stay tuned. The line just goes round and around. Oh, the freaking wheel. We made it. We're about to go in. Oh my God. This is a miracle. I think it took us about 20 minutes. Adults. There's the ATM machine. We need to draw cash.
Two's gonna be 20. Thank you. I got it. There you go. Charles is gonna get you guys a wristband.
I gotta get a wristband?
Yes, you do.
Oh, okay.
You got two?
Yes.
Perfect.
Thank
Thanks,
you,
guys.
thank you,
Either
thank
arm
you.
is good. Thanks for
Thank
waiting.
you, thank you. Which way do you want? Get one. No, just get one. Sorry, I'm gonna button this here. Yeehaw, Mama's in heaven. Can you put mine on? And you gotta put your arms on first. So we're going straight to the SAR?
We gotta see if they have them here.
Well, they've been out of stock for a while, so you put my band on it. We gotta get banded. Tickets were $10 a piece, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like giving birth. Once you get through, it's all.
It was worth it, right? Right?
Oh, look at that.
Sweet.
Old German.
God, there's just so much. It's overwhelming, for real. Guns and ammo, that's where we need to be. This might turn out to be a long ass video. Well, they close at 5, right?
Yeah.
And it's 3:30. We might need to go straight to where we think the SAR might be.
They don't make those anymore.
All right.
Yeah.
650. Which one? This one? Yeah, that's a beautiful gun.
They don't make them anymore.
I'll say
Right,
this
right,
side
right.
35. She knows that.
That's kind of cute, but I'm not really feeling that. It's only $225. That is cute, but we're looking for the SAR though. We're not looking for no Remington. Remington. Oh, look at this. Some Wild West kind of gun.
Actually, Remington used the Browning Hyper.
Really?
The one I just showed you, that's his gun.
Daniel, we should probably go straight to the SAR. We don't know where it is though, right? Can we ask or we just... I'm surprised it's not as crowded as I thought it would be. I mean, on the inside, on the outside, it was definitely crazy crowded. Wild West. Wild West. is it?
Oh no, I thought it said SAR9. It said SAR9.
Oh, sorry. That's not sorry. Well, let me just give you a tour. Like I know what I'm doing. I've been here before. No, I have not been here before. Long holster. Oh, these are some beautiful holsters. I'm over here. Oh, he thought he lost me. You're so funny. I'm over here. I need to give the guys a show. Let me just go on and just maybe I call you, huh? I know we want to stick together, but the thing is, there's so much to show here.
All right.
I want to be able to get everything on camera.
Okay, well I got my earpiece, so I'll be able to hear you.
Oh, it's okay. I guess I'll wait. I'll just have to trim it then. I'll trim it. That's fine.
Do you guys carry any SAR products? SAR, USA?
Oh. Oh.
Springfield XDM 4.5 black and 40 Smith & Wesson. I got chin line.
Zig's actually a better weapon, but SAR is more along my price point. They haven't exploded in the U.S. yet. Turkish arm. So,
Did you find it?
no.
Did you find it?
Yeah, SAR USA or SAR9.
Can't find the paperwork.
We go ahead and head over there? Or?
No, you're just right there. It's okay. You're going to be after these guys right over here.
So we can just pick them up there?
Yeah, I think so. They're not loaded. They're obviously
Well,
empty.
the gun I was holding wasn't loaded and the guy
no.
lost his cookies. Okay, that's
I
fine.
don't see it listed.
Don't see it
Oh,
listed.
you do not?
Looking for a SAR 9?
No.
No? That was quick.
Oh, thank you. Give me 1 second. What? No, that's too little. That's too cute.
That's a 380.
I'm
That's-
talking about something like this.
That's a 9mm.
I like me my 9. That's too little. I don't. It's like I'd have too much control over that.
Well, you want to have control over
I know,
for
but
the
it's like
next
so,
shot.
no, you don't understand. It's so much control that it's going to be glued to my hand. Like that's a little too big. Now we're moving. Here we go. There we go. We're now moving. Why does it smell like popcorn or like we're at the fair or something? This is too thick, too girthy. I don't like
Well,
that.
you like the Smith & Wesson.
I do like the Smith. But I want a Turkish gun. Are these tasers? Yes, they are, huh? Is that tasers? Yes.
Got a built-in charger. The light's 100 lumens.
Oh yeah, they are tasers. Nice.
Just slide all the way up until the red light comes on. The switch has 2 levels. Right? Okay.
And knife. Oh, I'll be damned. Oh yeah, there's my karate stuff. And of course, this is great for self-defense, but it's illegal in Texas, I believe, to carry that. Oh, I lost my arm. Oh gosh. All right, folks. Hold on. Oh, he's still way back there. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Case Cutlery, he said Case Cutlery offered him $1,500 for it.
Yeah, I've lost my man. All right, let me put y'all on hold. Oh, there you are. Okay.
Some lady wearing a Chanel mask.
You thought it was me?
Oh, she's wearing Louis.
Well, I have my Louis on too, but just because you see a person with Louis don't mean you gotta go. I'm not a number. Daniel, they had a taser.
B12?
Ooh,
That's the
hello.
one that
That's
Bobby
my
has.
baby. That's the one. It's fine, I guess. It's a little too small. Is that the SAR?
No, that's
No, that's either all still Smith. That's a good one, yeah. But I like Smith and Wesson. I don't know. What does the SAR look like? I don't even know what SAR looks like.
Pick it up.
Feels good. How much is it?
380.
It feels good. It's got some good weight to it. We're asking for SAR.
Sure, but I don't think they're
SAR? Do you have the SAR?
No.
No.
Do you know anybody around here that may have them? Or can?
The best price is sign.
Oh, best price.
Bunch of pistols.
Thank you, thank you.
And behind you.
And behind us. Okay, thank you. I'm behind you, Daniel. Hello, Mama.
F&N, that's not a bad.
No, it's not. That's a good one. How much? $5.25.
Yeah. Springfield Armory.
Let me see, how does it feel?
They're reliable as hell.
They are? Well, that's what we want. It's got some weight to it too, but that's all right. Mama happy. Oh, what am I doing?
I heard at the beginning of the show anyway. Let's see. See the big white ammo sign?
What is...
Curtis down there. He had some.
Anyway, if I lose you,
Alright.
Tell him David said.
don't go to the nearest person with the Louis Vuitton. I'm just going to be walking around. I'll call you if I lose you. Hi, how are you?
In a bowl like this at home. And the next day, rinse it out of water.
My ring? It's okay. I got heavy. It won't come off. I tried to take it out. I've done everything. I've done
Do it on your Tiffany.
on my necklace.
Yeah. Or either the neck.
Yeah, the ring is screwed. I messed up.
You can clean it on your hand. You don't need to take it off.
Yeah, I can clean the diamonds.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Whatever's easiest.
You can use it also on your.
This is connected to the charger, so I'm kind of like screwed there too. Let me see.
Wow, that is a beautiful diamond.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I usually take it off when I go to shower. Well, you don't have to, but I just do. I don't sleep with it or nothing. But for the past month, yeah, it's been on me like glue.
Got it.
That's not yours. Are you with them?
Yeah.
Okay. How much is the N95?
95.
I just need two of these, for example.
These are
$2 each. That's very good. I'll take two of those. Thank you. And then I will take. Okay, yeah, two of these, please. And. Well, what's the difference between that and this one?
These are carbon filter in like the whole mask, and then there's another filtration system that doesn't let bacteria in or out.
Okay, so what's with the N95 though? Because at work the N95 looks like that. You know what I mean? When you have like patients that have TB or whatever,
Yes.
they give you that. They don't give you anything that's sophisticated.
Because this is much more
Oh, yeah.
expensive to
Oh,
make.
how much is this one?
6.
6? I'll take one of those.
One of these
We'll save the husband. Yes, yes.
along with these.
And two. No, I'll take two of those too. That's
Okay.
fine. But one of those. We'll just get one for him.
Okay.
And then that is it, I think. If I stick around, I'll just keep on. There you go.
Okay, so that will be a total of 12.
12?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let me get you a bag.
Sure, thank you so much. Really a good price. $40 for a box of 20. That's pretty good. Thank you so much. Sure. The pen number?
Yes.
Thank you,
Would
man,
like
sir.
receipt?
I'm good. I got a receipt. Yeah, that would be a good idea.
Yes.
That way I can have you. You guys are local, so if I wanted to get some more, there's a store that you have?
Yes.
Okay.
Here, I'll give you one of my cards.
Okay.
That one's stupid.
That's, that's all right.
Yeah, it cut off short.
That's all right. That's all right.
There, that one.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. And then my receipt, and I'm good to go.
This one's ours.
Oh, that one's out too. There's two at a gun shop. That is interesting. Indeed, indeed. Well, those were lovely people. They actually don't have a store, but they do have, but the guy can ship and deliver. So I got his number. I will be posting it on my Facebook. And yeah. So, oh, look at this. Willie's home. Shauna.
I go through probably 2 or 3 things of salsa every week.
Willie salsa. I gotta come back and get me some of that. We got a puppy named Willie.
Travis Lester, guns at the gun show desk on the northwest corner. We have some
Taste Oh, this place is too big. This is gonna have to be a 5-part video. They have nothing to see.
I don't even got anything to put that on.
We got jewelry, but hey, Allah, look at this. It's so cute. Lip gloss. That's cute. A baseball bat? Oh, is that? Oh hell no! Baseball bat? That is too funny. Oh, will you look at this? Oh, wish I had a sleeve. What is this for reenactment? And what is this? It's gonna, whoops. Oh, Mama making a mess. All right. Even for nails. Hi, how are you? Good, thank you. What are these? Nail file?
Yes.
How much are these? That's cute. Nail polish strips. That's just cute to have. It's just really. Why would there only be 2? This is nail file too?
No, that's just those are sample nails.
Oh, sample. Okay.
So it's real nail polish on a strip.
Yeah, remember, no, I get mine done. I was never good with
You can
those.
just have one of those.
I can, but I need your business card because I'm gonna need more.
Yeah.
I want to put it on Instagram and get people to buy. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. Did you want one of these?
That's very sweet. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you. Okay, I could take you this way or this way, but I'm gonna go ahead and go this way because we want to eventually be able to get to the star. That was very sweet of her. Oh, aromatherapy. Yeah, you're gonna need aromatherapy to chill after you shot the hell out of someone. Gentleman's beard balm. Okay. Saddle balm. Father's Day is tomorrow.
Take one with you, come back and pay me. Whatever.
There's more jewelry over there. Sterling silver and all. We just went solar. Look at this. Look at the solar guy here. What are they filling up? Beef jerky, is that what that is? Yes, indeed, beef jerky. Okay. How much high? How much are your beef jerkies? Like
1 for 7, 2 for 12, or I need 4 bags for.
oh, okay, okay. We got more stuff over there. Let me see. What you got going on over there? Well, they got it all here.
No, I just bought it actually.
Okay, is it?
Microtech knives. Okay. I'm at you. Peel and stick decals. Folks, if I'm going too fast for you, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to keep this video under a year long. Short. Trying to keep this video under a year short. It's gonna have to be a lot of parts. What is this? This is gun? This is a gun. BB gun, huh? Ooh, look at this one. Oh, and it is heavy. Someone's whistling at me. I don't know if it's the hubby or if it's because, I don't know. Let's see. Camera systems. Security system. Okay. Old books, gunsmiths, accessories. I think I'm getting closer to the object of my desire here. What is this? Magnifying glass, that's good. Scissors. Oh, they have. Okay, so here we have it. Here we go. Okay, best prices. That's where we want to be. That's where I've been trying to get to. Let me see. Hi, how are you? I'm looking for the SAR. Do you have the SAR here? The Turkish gun SAR? No? Oh wow, let me see. By the gun zone. I don't know. They do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, here's the other two I was looking at. That one.
Which one? That one's too.
Well, they're both basically the same gun.
Same
this
way?
one
No, I know.
this one carries 17 rounds. This one carries 13.
17 rounds. This would be way too big for my car. Yeah, I like this. It's still a little heavier than the other one, but that was a Smith. All right. Well, do they have does it ever come with the laser?
Yeah, come here. Look.
Do they have a laser one?
Look at this.
Because Mama
I
don't want
was
to mix.
actually looking at that when I saw that they had the SAR.
Ooh, it's kind of tiny, but okay. Boom. That is really cute. It looks kind of clownish. It looks funny. It doesn't look like I don't know. But I like it though.
It's Smith & Wesson.
Oh, no, I don't want a Smith & Wesson. No. I'm talking about a SAR. Do they have a SAR with a laser?
No.
Oh, well then I might have to go with the SAR. I mean the laser then. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
380.
380?
Yeah. And then this is 9.
What do you mean 380? It's 399.
No.
Oh, the
size
model?
of the bullet.
Oh.
And then this is the 9 mil.
380. No, I don't want a 9 mil. I'll change my mind.
And then this one is also 9 mil.
Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Okay. I like the size of this. What?
This one has a red lid.
That's what I want. How much is that one? $4.99. I like it. It's a good feel. I wish it had more of this kind of a shape. this might overwhelm me. Whereas this one is not heavy. It gets the job done. It looks like it's serious. Okay. What else? So I think I might have to go with the Western then.
I want to go to here real quick.
No, I'm gonna have to go with the Western then.
Is everything on here correct?
Well, you can't really mess up when you have a red laser, right?
Credit card's 4%, debit's 2%. You got a check? A check's
Yeah.
as good as cash with this.
So I don't want to miss my target if the day ever comes.
Credit card.
So it's 4%.
So how much? So what are the prices like then? Because I like the one that I just tried on.
You need to take a picture of it.
I did.
Locks are all the way down there on the upper.
Got a video. I got a whole. Okay, everything. Oh, but you want me to? Okay. Let me go back and take a picture of it. What's your phone? Smith & Wesson model 11663. No, that's not the one. No, that's not the one. That's not the one.
It's another Turkish company.
What's that called?
Chanik. It's spelled with a
Chanik.
C, but it's
Chanik.
pronounced with a G. Chanik.
Janet. Oh, okay. It's not that price.
So how much money did you spend it on?
Almost 100.
Why?
You'll see. I got good stuff. Well, that they cost me 50. And then I bought a couple surprises. What do you worry about? It's my money. Okay. So this is the one. Smith & Wesson. So this is the one I'm getting.
Try to see if I can get a card from one of these guys.
Okay. A card? You're out? Okay.
Sorry.
And that's all right.
Do you have a website?
Yes, sir, we do.
Okay.
I can't tell you, it's just the gun.
Okay. And I was just wondering, I see that you have SARS down there.
Yes, sir.
By chance, have you come across any more CM9s? I've been looking all over for CM9.
No, man, I only work for them when they're super short-handed like today.
Yeah.
So I haven't even been in the store in months.
Gotcha. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
They are. They're down there. 40. They go in order. 45, 9, 3, 8.